Hello and welcome to another episode of Roy's Studio Adventures. Today we're going to be going over the GK Plex pedal for your bass guitar. We'd like to thank the people down at Central Music in Welland, Ontario for supplying this.
Gallien-Krueger PLEX 4-band active preamp bass pedal. Foot switchable compressor and overdrive ensures your performance blends seamlessly into the band, or cuts through a crowded mix. The 1/4 output drives the front of your instrument amp or power amplifier, while the DI output sends it all to the PA or recording console. Aux in and phones out make the Plex ideal for jamming along silently with your favorite tunes, and the USB input.
This is not a sponsored video.
Output allows pristine digital recording and re-amping capability when used with your favorite recording software. Expanded voicing options. Every knob of the Plex features push-activated functions that allow the user to tailor every nuance of their sound beyond the range of traditional tone controls. As each knob is pressed, the indicator is lit blue to signify that an option is engaged, and the readout displays the current option level that is active. Need more low-end thump? Push the bass bump knob to engage multiple levels of bass enhancement. Scooping out some mids for the ultimate slap tone is as easy pressing the low-mid contour knob until you find just the right notch. Get rid of excessive pick noise and click by pressing the high-mid, high-cut knob. Add just the right amount of air to a dark instrument or speaker via the presence function accessed by pressing the treble presence knob.
Please hit the like and subscribe. By hitting subscribe, it helps our channel to grow. We can give you more and bigger content.
No amp? No worries. Obviously, the pedal board-friendly format, distortion, compressor and chromatic tuner with large LED display make Plex an all-in-one extension of your existing live amp rig.
You got your headphone inputs, AUX, there's post. Okay. So now, this is on 1. I hope you liked today's video.